Annie loves her home, but she could use a few extra closets and more storage space. There is a self-storage park across the railroad tracks, but it didn't look very safe. Besides, Annie doesn't want to spend all day Saturday hauling her stuff across town. Annie's friend tried mobile storage, but it was too expensive, required endless permissions, and she still had to beg others to help her load, pack, and stack up her stuff. Her friend didn't even use the entire container. What a waste. Then, Annie found her new love, ClosetBox. In just a few short seconds, Annie can order storage to her door. Finally, extra storage has been simplified, freed from the hassle of loading and hauling. Annie conveniently schedules her valuables to be picked up right at her door by professional movers for free. Licensed, bonded, and insured movers pick up Annie's valuables, then securely store them in ClosetBox's state-of-the-art warehouse. It's just as simple as shipping a package with FedEx or UPS. Annie can monitor the location and security of her items from the comfort of her home. She can even upload pictures and descriptions to help her keep track of her valuables. Annie can have any item returned the next day simply by touching a button. This convenience saves Annie money because she only pays for the items she stores rather than continue paying for an entire storage unit. Also, Annie can have her favorite box of sweaters returned without the cost and hassle of returning an entire mobile container or driving out to that creepy self-storage park. Visit www.closetbox.me to experience the convenience of storage simplified.